shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper for July 14th. We're going to start with the SPY. We had a new dark pool level yesterday, 317.65. Yep, 7.7 late sell prints came in. That's a really key level to watch today. In fact, you know what? Let me just move this up slightly. 317.75. All right, just going to make a little fix there. And let me just copy and paste this. I just realized, yeah, I always want to be above that level. So correction, hold on. On SPY, bullish above level. All right, you guys will get a little ding on your app. All right, so bear below 315. We just went below that, and only bullish above 317.75, and you can see that we are just below the 4 EMA, so we should take a little bounce off that 8 EMA. So wherever that is, yep, watch, it's around 314.26 right now, but it does move. When the SPY moves down, it usually moves down a little bit. When it goes up, it usually moves up a little bit. So wherever it is, that will be support briefly, temporarily, until it's no longer support. Let's go to the E-minis. We're going to be bullish above 31.65, and we're going to be bearish below 31.50 for the E-minis. We are testing that 31.50 level right now. You can see a lot of volume just came in. First test. Yeah. Wait for that second test. Okay, IWM. Bullish above 143, bear below 140. We're still kind of stuck in this wedge. Yep, we might lose it today though, so watch that 140 level. We'll head on over to the QQQs. Bullish above 262.50 and bearish below 257 for the Qs. NASDAQ futures bullish above 10,700 and bear below 10,600. And you can see we've already tested it once right around 7 a.m. Bounce, and let's see if we can hold it the second time around. There's usually less buyers. That's why we wait for the second time. And I like it to be about 25 minutes later. That's the key. Let's go to the oil futures. Yeah, oil futures are taking a dump. We're going to be bullish above 40 all the way up here and bear below 39.40. And we look like we are coming down to test that level right now. And gold, bullish above 1803. Yep, we just went, wow, gold just popped. Yep, to, look where it hit. It hit right at this Camarilla. You see that? That's why those were my targets. Yeah, bullish above 1803.50. 1808 retracement to the person's pivot just happened. And then this 1809 area. So if we can break above 1810, that would be the next level to watch for an entry. Yep, we pretty much just hit resistance and we're pulling back. But if we can rev up again on gold, 1810, there's a nice trade from here to there. So watch out for that. All right, let's, silver also just popped as well, a little bit. Let's go over to individual stocks. All right, bank earnings are out, and JP Morgan just went below my bearish below level. And this is a very popular pattern with bank stocks, by the way. Bullish above 102, they pop and then they drop. I'm sure you guys have noticed this pattern. So many different earnings seasons I've watched. And if they close negative, bearish, that's going to be very bearish. Doesn't matter what the earnings are, it just matters how they trade. So don't sit there and analyze their earnings, just analyze the tape. All right, see where the big boys are buying and selling and just follow them. They always know things. So bearish below 99. Let's go to Tesla. Tesla, tremendous amount of volume, and I had a feeling it was going to come up to this 1600 level and take a bounce down. That's why I did bullish above 1620 to give it a little bit more room. Yeah, I really want to see it break above 1620. So that's key. Bear below 1525. Let's do the XLF. Now the XLF, massive prints have been coming in on this. Yeah, really big for days in this area. 2360, 2375. We have a 2280 print, 2294. Lots of prints. If we close below, let's see, what's the lowest here? 2288. Yeah, if we close below that, yeah, look out below. Yeah, that's very, very bearish. So if we close above them all, that'll be very bullish. 24 is a really key level. Yep, you can see this on our chart. Here's our pocket. Yep, that's that trade set up on the upside. Again, we may go down and start testing all of these prints. So 23.25 is my bear below level. That's below the 8 EMA. Yeah, so this is more of a swing trade. All right, it moves pretty slow. It does move faster when banks are having earnings, but it's not something we typically day trade. But it could definitely gain momentum. Delta, we're going to be bullish above 27.20, and we're going to be bearish below 26. Let's head on over to Apple. Had a lot of volume this morning. Only bullish above 390. Yeah, it looks like a big giant upthrust. Okay, look at this. Went to 400 major level on high volume. Today could be a test day where they test it on lower volume. Yep, so and then the next day is bearish if we start to head down. We'll see. But we're going to be bullish above 390, bear below 382. We just came down and test that 382 level. Let's head on over to Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo, bullish above 25.50 and bear below 24 for Wells Fargo. Yeah, Wells Fargo could barely pop, before it dropped. Yeah, so they just pretty much dropped this. They tried to push it up a little bit, but it definitely failed. Definitely weak. One of the weaker banks out there. Bear below 24. So watch that level. Citibank also not looking so great this morning. We are coming down to support here. We have 3 big moving averages. So we're going to be bearish below 52.25. We just went below that. Yeah, if we can hold this 8 EMA, this 51.46 cents, it's going to move a little bit. But if we do go below that, look out below. I have pretty low targets going down there to close to 50. Let's head on over to Match, MTCH. I guess not a lot of people are doing online dating. Yep. Match had a very interesting pre-market print, you guys, this morning. 861,000, very rare. Yeah, it was a Form T print as well. And what that tells us, it was done outside markets where they tried to hide it from us. So 96.92. Key level, if we go below 95.80, yep, that's bearish. Bullish above 98.50. Really, 100 is the big, big level, though. We really have to close above that for me to get bullish on this. But right now, it looks pretty bearish. Let's go to NEO. NEO, bullish above 15 and bearish below 13.50 for NEO. We just tested that right now. So we have a little battle going on. We have buyers on both books at 13.50 and sellers on both books. ARCA, let's see, hold on a minute. Sellers at 14.50. We should be able to still see him there. Actually, we don't see him. Nope. Because we've gone low, but he was there this morning. So if we do go up there, just know that's where they wanted to sell it. But we had buyers at 13.50. So that is a really key level after the first 15 minutes. If we go below that, that will be bearish. But that's where the guys were lined up big time on both books to buy it. Yep. So you can see that's why they're holding it there. FCX, one of our best trades in Java Pit Trading Room. Now I'm watching to see if it's going to hold that 1288 print, the last print that we got. We have a lot of prints back here. That's what really got us into this trade. But we've upthrusted. Yep. Will we break out of this trend? Yep, this is key. Yesterday it was green, but then the sellers came in and knocked it down. So that's really what I'm watching for FCX. If we go below 1288, that's going to be bearish. Yep, that's when I would start to go short. But I use 1280 as a level. Yeah, that's more confirmation. But I would definitely watch that 1288 level, the print level. A lot of times they take it down to test it and then move it back up again. But if they take it down to test and it doesn't hold, look out below. So there you have it. Those are your whispers for July 14th. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.